Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we're doing another model scenery kit. This time we're doing the Metcalfe double engine shed, the red brick variety, with the product code PN913. And the product code for the alternative version is PN937 for the stone brick version. And yes, looks like a very nice build. You also get this little, engineer's workshop on the side as well. So very nice. So let's have a look at what we get here. It is a fairly large kit this time, as it's going to be for a double engine shed. However, I think it's not. Like I say, it looks a bit intimidating, but I think it's just large parts, but there's not as many pieces. So let's have a look at what we got here. So what tools do we need? We need a modeller's knife, which I've got here, a sharp pair of scissors, which this will do, a steel ruler, which is underneath the glue here, some glue, which I've got here. We'll skip the fine tip applicator because I don't bother with that. A cutting surface, which I've got underneath here, which I need to replace at some point. Fine point tweezers, which are over here. Magnifying glass. Never had that one before, but it recommends a magnifying glass on a stand, which is helpful for tiny components, which I don't have. And a watercolor paints, which I don't have, but I do have a fine brush, but I won't be bothering them. And some bulldog clips, which is the first time it's actually mentioned any of them. But not sure if these are bulldog clips, but they're clipped and they will do the job just as well. I have got some more of them, but I've only got 2 there at the moment. So let's have a look at the checklist. So we've got sheet A. Let me just get this one up. So sheet A, yeah, it's very large components. That's that one there. And we've got sheet B. Another one right there. Pop you there. We've got 2 grey card strengthening sheets, which one here and another one right here. Ooh, this one's got a fold in it, so yep, there we go. And where are we? We got glazing sheet, which is just here. We got the grey card laser cut roof trusses, which are right here. It also has some chimneys there. Has the ridge tail sheet and also the instruction booklet, which is this one here. So yeah, that's all the pieces we have. Let me just pop this back in here. From the looks of it, we might be able to make 2 sets of. Can we make 2? Actually, maybe not. I thought we might be able to make 2 sets of engine sheds, but no, it's just lots of insides and outsides and all the other lot. And let's have a quick look at the instructions. It recommends making a builder's yard, but I prefer taking them directly off the card as I need them, so I can see what I need and leave the card somewhere else on the side. Another thing which is quite useful, a pencil. So I can start numbering all the grey card strengtheners. So I'll do that in between this sheet, this clip, and also when I'm building it. So I'll start numbering all the pieces here, there, and everywhere. Painting the edge corners, which I won't bother. Glazing. Yeah, I said it doesn't look like there's too many bits of glazing, but it would be good to do them in a separate bit as well. Then you can just start gluing things together. Yeah, you do the side walls, then the outer wall of the sides, then the inner wall, then gluing the inner and outer walls together. Oh yeah, it does say fit the glazing here. All depends on which way you want to do it. The gable walls, which are the front and back, and this is where it says get the bulldog clips. Do the other end, depending on maybe optional. We'll have to have a look. It's basically building all the outside, then adding the roof trusses, adding the roof strengthener, adding the glazing for the roof, then adding the roof, and then adding a center roof vent, which is just stacked up a few times, and then just finishing it off. And the last few pages is just basically building the little workshop for the side. So yeah, shouldn't be too hard. So I think most of the problem is it's just oversized pieces, so I will probably have to put things here, there, and everywhere. Anyway, I'm going to get started on this. First things first is I'll be numbering all the grey card, and then I'll start getting to work putting it all together. So I'll see you in a bit. Right, here we are, the finished engine shed and engineering hut. Look quite nice actually, I'm quite happy with it. Make sure it's focusing, there we go. Yeah, very happy with it. Again, it's an oversized building, so I have to get my manual turntable, but yeah. Let's see, what were the most fiddly bits? Well, one thing to point out is these little chimneys up top, they're a little bit fiddly. The engineering shed, that was actually quite simple. That was a very easy build, including the chimney up here, but most of the fiddly bits were on the actual engine shed itself. Let me just turn this over. So getting these fitted in correctly, I did do it a different way. I've put them into the what was it? I popped them into the structural bit along here before sticking them into the walls, which is probably not the best idea, but yeah, I figured I'd try something different. One thing which you do have to make sure you get correct is the arrangement of the inner card for the walls. Make sure that they're matching the same way around, because otherwise you'll have to do what I did, which was make a little cut in one of the wall pieces. I think it was, yes, there's this side. A little bit of a cut here, just to make sure that the these supports up here fitted in the right spot. But otherwise, that wasn't too difficult. Just annoying. But yeah, otherwise, yeah, it didn't take too long. I think it was just over an hour and a half this time. Let me just check back the footage. Doodly-doo. If the thing wants to load up now. Doodly-doo. It took, oh wait, it nearly took 2 hours, never mind. It took a bit longer than I thought, so yeah, not quite an hour and a half, but it just took about 2 hours. But yeah, not too bad. And I did remember to paint the inside of the chimneys this time, though I did paint them after I glued them all together, which is not the best way to do them, but oh well. Still, it's mostly all painted. Yeah, I definitely do recommend this kit at least. Probably should be a bit more careful than I normally am, though. But yeah, still happy with it. But anyway, that's going to be it for me. So do let me know what you think of this kit. Also, do let me know what you think of my build, because it's not normally perfect, but I probably should have been a bit more careful with this one, but oh well. I still need to get rid of some of these glue strands, so yeah, I need to do a bit of cleaning up afterwards. Anyway, let me know what you think down below. If you like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and if you didn't like it, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway, and that's going to be it for me. So I'll see you all again next time, so take care now, bye bye.